In 1950, 11 men pulled off what the FBI called the crime of the century. The Brinks Armored Car Company in Boston was a fortress, multiple locked doors, armed guards, a reputation for being untouchable. But these thieves had a different approach. For 6 years they watched. They studied every guard's routine, memorized the building layout, even got duplicate keys to every single door. On January 17th, wearing identical masks and navy peacoats, they walked in like they owned the place. 18 minutes later, they walked out with $2.7 million. That's over $30 million today. No shots fired, no one hurt, no evidence left behind. The FBI had nothing. No fingerprints, no witnesses, no leads. For 6 years, the case went cold. Then one thief got drunk and bragged to his wife, his estranged wife. She called the FBI just days before the statute of limitations expired. One phone call brought down the entire crew. The perfect heist, destroyed by pillow talk.